Watch this video. Looks super realistic and cinematic, right? Guess what? I made it completely free, and I can create thousands more like this. Unlimited. No, I'm not talking about Sora 2, VEO, or Runway. This is about a tool hardly anyone's talking about, Meta AI. Yes, the same Meta AI inside WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, but now on a whole new level. Let's jump straight to the laptop screen. First, go to Chrome and search Meta AI. Then click on the first website that appears. You'll see an interface like this. Now on the bottom left side, click the Login button. Here you can log in with Facebook, Instagram, or email. I'll log in with email. Just type your email and click Next. If you don't already have a Meta account, click Create New Account. Since I don't have one, I'll click on that. Now, enter your first name and surname, like I'll write YT as the first name and automation as the surname. Then hit Next. Enter your birthday, click Next, then set a password and hit Next again. A pop-up will appear asking to save your login info. If you save it, you won't need to repeat these steps next time. If you choose Not Now, you'll have to log in again each time. I'll click Save. Now, this is how your account will look. Set it up properly. For example, I'll set my username as YT Automation and confirm it. Next, you'll receive a confirmation code in your email. Verify it and click Next. And now, you'll be on the main interface of Meta AI. On the left side, you'll see options like New Chat, Vibe, and Create. We'll explore them one by one. At the bottom, you'll find your profile. Now, let's talk about the main thing. In the center area, there's a typing box where you can enter your prompts. If you click the plus icon, you'll get options to upload an image or video, create, or use Canvas. I'll first use the Add Media option and select an image. I'll type my prompt and hit Enter. Boom! In just a few seconds, a simple image has turned into a high-quality, ultra-realistic video. If you look at the top right side, you'll find options like Download, Share, and Post. Below that, there's Add Music, which gives you access to the full Facebook and Instagram music libraries. Then, there's the Restyle option. You can give any video a new style. Honestly, that's super amazing. One small thing I noticed, the first image I uploaded had fewer options, but once I gave Meta AI a new command, more options appeared, like image prompt, animation prompt, and most importantly, extended animation. I'll click on that now. Check these results. It's the same video, but now it's longer, like 9 seconds instead of 5 seconds before. I'll select one of these effects and boom! After restyling, the same video gives a completely different feel. Honestly, with this tool, you can grow your social media platforms really fast. Now, let's try something new. I'll click on the Create button, and here you can choose between image or video creation. There's also a ratio and aesthetic option where you can set how your images should look and what style they'll have. I'll write my prompt here, change the ratio to 16:9 and hit Enter. This time, the result didn't match my full requirement, but it's still very realistic. The reason might be that I gave only half of my prompt because I'm still testing the tool myself. Honestly, I'm exploring all its features along with you. I kept the prompt simple just to understand its power and thinking, but still, the results, the time period, the feel, everything's perfect. The reason I said that is because the era I mentioned in my prompt actually looked like that. Cameras came later, so it's good. Now, let's move to the last few things. When you click the Vibe button, you'll see videos made by other users. If you like any video, you can remix, like, or comment on it. And if you want to see more videos from that creator, just click on their profile icon and you'll see all their uploaded videos. Honestly, this platform is a mix of AI tools and social media. You get both worlds in one place. Alright, now that you've understood this unlimited image and video generation tool, if you want me to show you how to make a full cinematic movie-level video using AI, then comment cinematic below. And yes, if you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and follow me because I regularly share tutorials on amazing new tools like this.